I don't really know what to call this video. A daily Windows user's first voyage into Linux, possibly. Obviously been using Windows as my daily driver. I've also got a MacBook as my daily driver as well. But and I'm pretty well versed on both of those operating systems. But I've never really had a tickle with Ubuntu before. And I've just got myself another SSD because I'm thinking about dual booting my Windows with Linux. And I'm planning to try out some Linux distros on some virtual machines. And today we're going to start off with Ubuntu. Now, I was going to try out Arch Linux first, but I found it really tedious and I've ran into a lot of problems. But we'll try it another time. We'll try it sometime in the future. But for now, let's try Ubuntu. And let's see how we go with it, basically. So, we've got the grub bootloader right here. So, we've got try and install Ubuntu. Try or install Ubuntu. We've got Ubuntu with safe graphics and test the memory. Well, we want to try or install Ubuntu. Well, we want to install Ubuntu. Mouse integration. Oh, hello. Ubuntu 24.04 with the little indicator. Oh, the font's just changed. Oh, got the date and time right there. Hey, there we go. Oh, got Mozilla Firefox right there. Interesting. Oh, I see. And there's install Ubuntu. All right, let's get this show on the road. Install Ubuntu. Preparing Ubuntu. Got the little swirly indication. Loading circle thingy. Oh, interesting startup sound there. Choose your language, English. Yep, that's what we want. Accessibility, we'll go past that. Keyboard layout, UK. And, oh, you can type it to test your keyboard. Right. We'll type in potatoes then, because that just seems to fit somewhat. Yeah, we use a wired connection. I do like that little crown with the two... are those foxes? They look like foxes, but they also look like kangaroos because of the shape. But yeah, nice little crown there. We want to install Ubuntu. Yep. Interactive installation. Yep. Go with that. We'll go with the default selection as well. Install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi software, including but not limited to NVIDIA drivers or and similar. Yeah, we'll go with that. Download and install support for additional media formats. Yeah, we'll go with that as well. Erase disk and install Ubuntu. Yeah, that's what we want. And we have to create an account. Okay. Go with still. Oh, so I have to have a password. Okay. I'm gonna enter the most secure password known to man. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, it's a virtual machine anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, United Kingdom, time zone. Yeah, go with that. SDA1 created. SDA VirtualBox hard disk and install. Fast, free, and full of new features. The latest version makes computing easier than ever. Whether you're a developer, creator, gamer, or administrator, you'll find new tools to improve your productivity and enhance your experience in this release. Got the nice little crown again. Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS. All the applications you need. Spotify, Telegram's there as well. Might have heard of Nextcloud, but I haven't heard of Shortcut. Develop with the best of open source. Visual Studio Code and PyCharm as well. IDA Ultimate, and get cracking. I see what they did there. Ubuntu is the ideal workstation for app or web development. Developed with the best of open source. Yes, open source for the win. Progress bar's frozen. I'm a little bit worried. Just a little bit. I've left it sitting here for a few minutes and I think it's just froze. That progress bar has not moved and it's been like 4 or 5 minutes. I'm going to give it a restart. Right, let's try this again, shall we? Right, install. Hopefully, it doesn't freeze on us this time. Hey, okay, we didn't get that last time. Installing the system. Let's go. Let's go. We're actually installing. I think it's because of the little I think it was because of the little slideshow thingy that was here, which I think was why it caused it to hang, because it was trying to load up the images and resources for it. Although, please don't tell me we got stuck here. I hope not. I think I finally got this working. So it hangs on me like twice. So I had to go and look up the problem, of course. So I looked through a couple of forum posts, and it turns out the RAM that VirtualBox suggests to you for Ubuntu is wrong. It turns out that 2 gigabytes, which is what this was using, was way too little. So I've put it up to 8 gigabytes, and it seems so far to be working. Again, touch words, but it hasn't froze yet. So, fingers crossed, we can actually get this thing installed. I mean, it's not like I need to worry about the RAM on the host machine anyways. I've got 32 gigabytes, so that's more than plenty. So, I mean, 8 gigabytes really is nothing. Okay, yeah, we're definitely getting somewhere. We're setting up the system now. Now we're getting somewhere. And finally, there we go. Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS is installed and ready to use. Restart to complete the installation or continue testing. Any changes you'll make will not be saved. Let's hit restart. Okay, I think VirtualBox seems to have taken it out automatically. Ooh, okay. And now should be heading into Ubuntu. There we go. Looks a bit similar to the Windows 10 / Windows 8, Windows 8 / Windows 10 / Windows 11 startup screen, doesn't it? Got the Ubuntu logo. Got the little, we've got the little animated progress wheel right there as well. And we are in. Welcome to Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS. Complete your setup with additional settings and we'll have you up and running in no time for you to change log. Hit next. Upgrade this machine to Ubuntu Pro. Free for up to 5 machines. Get security updates. Range of packages right up until 2034. We'll go and skip that. No, don't share system data. Get started with more applications. Let's just hit finish to that. Right, let's go on the App Store. I mean, I should have probably clicked it on there, but whatever. Let's go on the App Store and see what we can download. GNOME Calendar. We've got VLC. That could be quite handy. Discord is there. We got Steam as well. Minecraft installer. LibreOffice as well. let's go and install that. Let's install some basic applications on here. Go and do VLC as well. Is there any screen recorders? There's OBS. That'll do. Which, funny enough, is what I'm recording this with now. If we go into Firefox, got a little welcome to Firefox, got privacy notice as well. If we go into Google, and oh, we've just searched Google on Google. But we go over to Google, and it is there. Yeah. Looking a lot better than it did back when we tested this on Windows XP. Let's go and search ourselves up, shall we? Oh. That's why. Misspelt my own username. There we go. Reject. But, I mean, can do basic web browsing, as you'd expect with a modern operating system, really. Let's do the Windows XP video. Hello everyone. And we're there. Today we are going to be installing Windows full screen in 2024. And we are there we go. If we can still run some fairly modern programs on it. Now, this is a lot better than it was back on the Windows XP, of course. I mean, it's still loaded, but yeah, this is a lot better now. Let's go to somewhere where there's some actual movement. But I mean, straight out of the box, can run YouTube videos. And here is the start menu and the Luna theme. Oh. Pretty smoothly as well. This is on a VM as well. We've got the Bliss wallpaper as well. Let's. Oh, it's already on 720p. Let's try 180. Let's try 1080. 1080p. This was great for Microsoft at the time. Oh, a little bit choppy. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Let's go a bit further on into the video. And yeah. I like this one. Although it reminds me of Real Media. But there you go. I mean, straight out of the box. And it can run YouTube videos. I mean, that's just perfect, really. But for a modern operating system, you'd expect it. But yeah, we've got the comments on there as well. I mean, this is perfect. Might sound sacrilegious from a Windows user, but I always loved having the dock on the desktop, having a dock on the desktop for applications. I would install Steam, but if I'm going to get any games running on it, it's probably going to take ages. So I'll pass on that. Oh, is there any other games? We've got DOSBox, Minecraft installer, Pac-Man or Capman. Come on, you're not fooling anyone. Steam there, of course, as well. Reversi. Space Cadet as well. Yes! We've got Space Cadet. Oh my god, yes. Space Cadet on Ubuntu. That sounds amazing. Yeah, let's give that an install. Right, I'm gonna leave these all to install, and then I'll be back. This has got me really excited. Right, let's install the guest editions. Oh, okay, that's interesting. Please install the bsip2 tar and try again. Okay, may have to do that via the terminal. Ah, there we go. So I finally got it working. Sudo apt install bsip2. It's done it now. So hopefully the guest edition should be able to install. There we go. Yeah, all it needed was that package. Install the GC. Whoa, okay. It's not set up to build kernel modules. Please install the GCC make Perl packages from your distribution. Okay. So, whoa, what was that? Bit odd. Okay, right, let's give it a restart. I'll see if I can blow it up to full screen. Oh, that was a bit of artifacting then. But we are in. Right, I've got it doing some updates now, so that might fix the weird artifacting that we had earlier. I mean, so far though, first impressions, I mean, at least on Linux you can install what you want on here. At least it's not a dictatorship like it is on Windows. At least it's not with Microsoft where it's like, you've got to install this update now. You know, you can do it whenever you want. Cool. So that's all done. I'm going to reinstall guest editions because we ran into a couple of problems with that earlier. So let's try this again. Interesting. That's after I've done updates as well. Oh. I didn't get that last time though. We shall restart. Okay. Right, can we go full screen? We can, but... Oh no, we can. Hey! I saw a Windows mouse for a minute then and I thought we couldn't. But we can go to full screen. Now that is good. And oh, that's interesting, little sort of blocky pattern when you move stuff around. Can you... Keep arrange, keep stats by type. Arrange icons. probably doesn't do a single thing. Oh, okay, it's just down there for some reason. That's a bit odd. But, I mean, we are in landscape there. But we have got guest editions working somewhat, which is good. Right, so now that we've got pretty much everything working, let's have a little look around. So, let's eject this. Get rid of that. So, this is the interface. We've got a nice little wallpaper right here. We've got the home. We've got the home, which takes you to your files pretty much. And you got your generic. Got your generic folders like documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, videos, templates. Does it have any sample photos? Nah. Any music? No. Videos? No. But we've got this little thing. Oh, okay, that's interesting. It reminds me of the Action Center on Mac OS. But you got your little for your volume. Got your internet, your power mode if you're using laptop. Dark style, which, oh, that looks nice. Okay, I do like that. That's very nice. I like the wallpaper as well. I'm keeping that. So for screenshots it is, so you can do a selection, you can do the whole screen or a window, you can record as well. Okay, so I didn't really need to use I didn't really need to install OBS in a way, but never mind. That I presume is you can lock the yeah, you can lock your account. That's to turn off your machine. You got your display settings and so forth, your network, your sound, power mode, multitasking, hot corner. Touch the left corner to open the activities overview. Okay. Drag screen edges, top, left, right, side edges, 3 sides. Oh, okay. Monitor, the appearance. This is the one. Okay, you've just got 2 themes. Dark or default. Let's go with a nice blue sort of accent. There we go. But we've got some more here. Oh, that's quite nice. Got this back. I love this background. That's very nice. Got this one as well. That's quite nice as well. But I do like this. I do. Oh, yeah. You can snap onto the top of the bottom. Oh, okay. Pretty much like on Windows. Nice little aura. You got this little artistic image right here. That one's quite cool. The light bulb. But I think I'm going to keep this one. This one's quite nice. Let's keep that. Ubuntu desktop. Oh, it's just the size of your icons and so forth. Oh, that's the size. You got the size of your icons. We're going to keep it 48. Keyboard, colours, mouse touchpad, you got your printer, your accessibility settings as well. You got your time. Day of time, it's Christmas Eve right now. You can switch between different desktops if you want. Got your applications here, so you've got Firefox, you've got your files, your App Center, Help, Trash. Can you add anything onto it? No. It's the answer to that. So we got clocks, calendar, you've got your settings that we just looked into. System monitor might be quite handy. Pretty much like your task manager. Resources, you've got your CPU. Memory and swap, your network, your disk. Your file systems there as well. Just the current hard drive that we're, got the current drive that we're rolling with. Utilities, disk usage analyzer, disks, characters, password and keys. That must be a password manager. It is. Interesting. Disk usage analyzer. This is something that I think could be quite handy. But yeah, I could create a little bar chart. Ah, that'd be pretty helpful, especially if you've got a full drive. Very, very helpful. Lost and found. What about a treatment? Ah. Well, yeah, this reminds me of the old... it's still around now. The application, I used to use it years ago for cleaning up space. Windows dir stat, or I think it was Windows directory statistics. It reminds me of that with all these coloured blocks. And oh, you can break it down like that as well. That's interesting. Okay. Firmware update. So this will be for your updates. No devices found. Okay. Additional drivers. Open using firmware tools for troubleshooting hosted on a firmware GUI. Okay. Do not use this device. So yeah, you can check for additional drivers. Software updater. Startup applications. Text editor. So you can create potatoes. And save that. How do you save it? Is it there? There we go, save as. Yeah, we'll save it in documents. Important. An important text document. There we go. A very important text document. So, let's have a look at the applications. We already looked at Firefox. Let's have a look at some basic applications, really. So, we've got LibreOffice running on here. So, let's type something other than potatoes. Because we've already done that one. Let's type in... Since it is nearly Christmas, as I'm recording this, Brussels sprouts. There we go, Brussels sprouts. Another very important Word document. If I could spell. There we go. Another very important Word document. That sounds good to me. Also got things like Draw. We got Calc, Base, Excel, Excel and Access. Impress, which is pretty much PowerPoint. There we go. Beehive, Blue Curve, Focus. Oh, that's very colourful. Hello, I am Snap. So yeah, could do some basic word processing. I forgot to have a look at this. Power statistics. That'll be a power from your mains or a laptop battery if you have one. Language support there. Okay, so GIMP. Is it just not going to work? Oh, something is happening. Okay, it's just choosing not to run. Okay then. Let's look at something else then in the meantime. Let's go to OBS. And we are there. Hey, there we go. We'll record using the built-in screen recorder there as well. Right, so we want sources, and then we want screen capture. Remember this selection. Share. Select. Share. There we go. Okay. Right. Let's use the built-in screen recorder now. We'll take a picture as well. Oh. Okay then. It's experienced. Oh. Can I still do it anyways? I mean, it's recording. Don't know what this is relating to. Okay. Right. So. Let's go into files. Let's go into videos. We've got screencast there, and we've got the MP4 there. Let's open with VLC, and let's have a look at the video and see how it's turned out. And hey, oh, it looks like a PowerPoint slideshow. Probably the settings need to be configured, but we've got video capture. It may look like a PowerPoint presentation, mainly because I think the settings need to be configured, but we've got video playback. Okay, that's good. Try this. Can't see the cursor, but that's okay. It's a lot smooth. Oh, that was a bit, quite a few bits coming out of that. Ooh. That's not good. It's not too bad though, in the grand scheme of things. It's just a weird pixelation there. But again, I mean, it's running it. I mean, if you can tweak the configurations in OBS, you'd be golden. Pictures. There's the picture. Put it full screen if you need. All that good stuff. So yeah, I mean, basic word processing, video recording, and well, we're always going to try GIMP, but it doesn't seem to be working for some reason. Is there any other paint program we could try and use? So I would like to have a paint program of sorts. Oh, let's create. Oh, let's Krita. Yeah, let's do that. Right, Crisis installed. Let's give that a whirl. There, we've got a splash screen. Oh, come on. Right, so in the main menu. Okay, there we go. New image. We're only going to create a simple. And, oh, don't think it's crashed. New image. Predefined. Create. And is it going to do it? I guess not. In that case, let's have a look at the games. So, first one I installed. K Breakout. Let's see what this is like. And, oh, okay, very simple. We didn't even have a splash screen or anything. Do you want to make fire the ball on mouse click? Yes, I do. Use. Don't know if this has sound or anything, but a pretty simple breakout game. Ah! Just missed that. There we go. Oh, no, don't go away. Come on, let's complete this level. One more left. One more left. Ah! Come on, this time. Yeah, there we go. Right. That's all we need. All we need. I mean, we could have probably put that on full screen, actually. Let's have a look. Yeah. Yeah, we had it on full, could have had it on full screen mode. Oh, it's really slow, though. Oh, no. Get me out. Get me out of here. Can I not get out of this? Oh, there we go. Oh, that's really slow. Right, reverse E. Let's go and install, well, let's go and play that. Still against computer. Oh, did I just hit quit? Start game. Oh, the flashbacks, the ghosts of Windows 1. I can already hear Steve Ballmer. Ah, what? Oh. Oh, okay, now we're losing this. Okay, that sounds good to me. Right, and the final showstopper, Space Cadets. Woo! Ported over to Ubuntu. Right, do we have the same keys? We do. Brilliant. You know what we're going to do, boys? Oh, what? All the way down? Right, why is it not? I can click on it. Oh, alright then. Oh, crap. Well, I love stuff like this. The fact that someone managed to reverse engineer this onto Ubuntu, onto a Linux distro. It's amazing, really. Interesting. Anyways, we're not going to play too much of it. We've already played it to great lengths on Windows XP. So, what do I think of Ubuntu? Well, it's an interesting operating system. Very much so. It's the first Linux distro I've used, and it's alright. It's pretty good. I mean, you can do some basic word browsing, some basic word processing, some basic you can do some basic word browsing, some basic word processing and screen recording. The built-in screen recorder isn't amazing because of the sort of pixelated mess you get, at least from what we could see on here. OBS, if you can tweak it and configure it, you could get it working nice and smooth. You can play some simple games on it. Again, I love the fact that someone ported over Space Cadet on here. I think that's just awesome. VLC, I mean, video playback, works quite well as well. It's a shame we couldn't get the paint applications working. That sucks a bit. But either way, it's a nice little operating system. But either way, it's a nice little operating system. I'm going to try a couple more Linux distros. I'm either going to try out Arch Linux or Linux Mint next. But yeah, this is really nice. Very GUI based. I know a lot of other Linux distros you sort of have to just find out yourself. I mean, there was a couple of things you had to find out yourself, like updating the packages and updating the modules and things like that through the terminal. But other than that, it's a pretty nice operating system. So that is Ubuntu. A quick little video on Ubuntu. Hopefully it's not as long as the Windows XP video. I need to cut this down, so hopefully it isn't too long. But that is that. Thanks very much for watching this video. Hopefully a couple more nosedives into Linux distros and some other content as well. And I shall see you later. Bye bye.